Today I will show you how simple it is to send an email. You're just about ready to experience a whole new world of technology. You can do a lot of things with your computer and not leave home. You can also send letters and receive responses instantly. Do you remember going to the post office to buy stamps and deliver letters? This video tutorial will provide you with enough knowledge to have fun in the internet and be able to send emails worldwide. Many people like to communicate via email. Join them. It's a great way to communicate with the world, having it at your fingertips. This lesson begins with having an ISP, which is an internet service provider. This is a company like Valley Telephone that provides a subscriber with internet access. Once that has been established, you can begin to prepare for around-the-world communication. How great is that? Emails is one of the many services that the internet offers. You will also have access to the World Wide Web, instant messaging, broadband, TV, movies, and much, much more. It's simple. Just follow the steps to opening a new email account with your internet service provider. Now that you have your email address in place, you're ready to write, send, and receive emails. Your email address will look something like this. The first part of the email address is a username. Then it's that @ sign that looks like a letter A with a circle around it. And the next part is the email provider information. Begin by clicking the Create Mail icon of your internet service provider mail access page. Now you will see a page that looks similar to this one. Type an email address of the recipient where it says To. You may fill in the sections BCC, which is blind carbon copy, or CC, carbon copy, if you would like another person to receive a copy of your email. The subject line serves as a title for the email that you're sending. In this example, I will type, "Thanks for the purse." I'm going to write to my sister to thank her for the beautiful purse that she sent me for my birthday. Now place your cursor and click to begin writing the letter. Now, once you're done writing, click on Send. This electronic letter will reach its recipients within seconds. Wasn't that simple? I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Make sure you tune in to our TV guide for additional tutorials or call Valley Telephone Help Desk at 1-800-446-2031.